Nabeez, an old drink in order to alkalize as well as detox your body. Have you ever heard of the Nabeez beverage? This drink was quite popular within the times of Muhammad. However, it has lately been drawing a lot of attention once again, because of the health advantages it provides. The actual beverage is founded on raisins, or dates in certain dishes, that ought to be steeped at night in porcelain skin vessels as well as consumed each morning. If there was obviously a bit excess of drink, they put it, and made a brand new batch. Here is one of many maintained Nabeez quality recipes. Components: a number of raisins or even dates, 6 to 8 ounces of water. Instructions: put the dates or raisins in the water as soon as the Isha prayer, and also let them soak on room temperature. Take them off early in the day as well as eat all of them, then consume the water too. Nabeez is really a highly well-known drink in the Center East, and it is often offered to visitors instead of green tea. The significance of Nabeez: Nabeez ought to be consumed like a pre-dawn food, and is a strong alkalizing tonic which can transform your digestion as well as metabolic rate. It includes lots of dietary fiber which is ideal for your digestive function, and will even transform your memory as well as brain overall performance as well. Through drinking this frequently, additionally, you will improve the wellness of your liver as well as throat, and provide your general health a substantial boost.